Hello everyone. In this video, we will explore the difference between using PySumoChat and other methods. In the upper window, we have PySumoChat, and in the lower window, we have the traditional method. For this test, we will be modeling a 4-story concrete building with specific requirements. As you can see, PySumoChat has completed the coding, and we are using this code to generate the model. In less than a minute and a half, the model was successfully created, while the competitor hasn't even come close. With PySumoChat, we can go further and analyze the model to get the results we need. In under 2 minutes, we obtained both the model and the results with minimal effort on our part, without requiring any coding experience or expertise in Procon. Meanwhile, the competitor took over 4 minutes just to complete the modeling and would need additional time to use another software for analysis. The result is clear: PySumoChat is the winner. Thank you for watching.